everybody. It's me, Jenna. I am 4 years old. Today I'm gonna make wobbly jelly pudding bunny.
Sekarang ingredientsnya bacain dong. Tadi Jenna bisa bagus.
Kau
Keren bacanya.
aja.
Ganti-gantian sama mama ya. Heavy cream 40 ml.
Milk 140 ml.
Sugar 35 grams.
Gelatine 6 grams.
Oke, Jenna tuang sampai di sini 140 ya. You ready? Yes, 140. Great job, great job. Yay, 140. Yay.
Oh, we need vanilla. Mama, I want to drink milk. I can pour, Mama. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget to bloom the gelatine first. Adding just a little bit of water. Just like this. Now I'm gonna put all the ingredients into the pan. The milk first. Milk is this heavy cream. Okay, heavy cream. Go into the bowl. Sugar is the gelatine.
With this.
Oh. Remember, do not touch the hot pan because it's warning to keep your hand safe from the hot pan and make sure your mom is around. Done? Okay, we're gonna keep stirring till it's boiling. Maybe you stir. Oh. It's time to put the mixture to the mold. This is hot. I will moving it to this fridge. I'll be moving it to the fridge.
Iya, nanti kita masukin ke fridge.
Okay, I will open the fridge door.
Dulu belum dituang.
All done. All done. All done. Oh, done.
Little bit more.
Oh, done.
Okay. Oopsie.
Oopsie, just a mistake.
Ya udah, it's okay.
Don't worry, Ma. Let's see. 3 of these each. Another mistake. That's okay. Now we're gonna chill the bunnies in the fridge. But waiting the jelly to set, I'm making here's the bunnies and bears. Let me show you how I make the carrots.
Circle.
Who wins? Who
Race
wins?
or race?
Mama? I won. Circle.
Udah jadi circle? Oke, ujungnya digencet sambil putar-putar. Iya. Terus.
This is a carrot. And now I'm gonna make the leaf. You do it with the other rolling pin. Get flat, guys. Just keep sticking and thin. Almost. Done. Now it's time to cut with a fondant cutter.
Alright.
Little flower. We use water as a glue. Push.
Leaf.
Yay, this is a carrot! And now we're gonna make flowers for the bunnies. Roll. Cuci tangan dulu, guys.
Oh no, I broke the nose.
It's okay.
Oh, slowly.
I am painting the ears pink. I want to do third one. This is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Did?
Yeah.
What ini? Enak nggak?
Ma,
Ya.
we saved this for later for our dessert. This is very beautiful. Yeah, the flower hats. Alright guys, these are the jelly. They're so cute, right? You guys try it at home. Bye bye, see ya.